Hey guys, welcome back to Earth DIY. In today's DIY, we'll be showing you guys how to make a silky and moisturizing honey facial wash. First up, you will need 144 grams of distilled water, 28 grams of aloe vera gel, which has soothing properties and helps to add moisture to your face. 2 to 5 grams of silk peptide, which imparts a silky and smooth feeling to the formulation of the facial wash and also helps to moisturize your face. 30 grams of glycerin, which is a humectant, so it helps the skin to draw moisture from the air and helps the skin to retain that moisture. 3 grams xanthan gum, which helps to hydrate the skin and also to thicken and provide slip to the formulation. 112 grams of decalglucoside, which is a mild non-ionic surfactant. It helps to provide a gentle cleanse to the skin, but if you guys don't have decalglucoside, you can use cocoa glucoside instead. 19 grams of honey. Honey is also another natural humectant in that it draws moisture from the air to the skin. It also has antibacterial and antiseptic properties, and it is great for oily and acne-prone skin. And 2 grams panthenol. It helps to improve the skin's hydration, elasticity, and appearance. So then you're going to add the honey to the container with the water, stir well, and then you will add 4 grams of Optifen Plus preservative. Slowly add the oils to the decalglucoside. Decalglucoside acts as our solubilizer in this recipe. However, it isn't the best, so that's why we're only using a small amount of oils. Add the other mixture and ensure that everything is mixed well together. Add the xanthan gum and glycerin. This will allow the mixture to thicken. Give it a stir, cover, and wait a couple hours for it to thicken. We really wanted this to be a moisturizing facial wash, which is why we use ingredients such as honey, aloe vera gel, glycerin, xanthan gum, and panthenol. This facial wash will be great for people who have dry skin, but it will also be beneficial for all skin types. So up next, we will be adjusting the pH. Right now, the pH is between 7 and 8. So we're going to add a couple drops of 50% citric acid solution to the facial wash in order to bring down the pH. The best pH for a facial wash is between 4 and 5.5. So you will add a couple drops of the citric acid, stir well, then check the pH again. And do this until the desired pH is achieved. You guys should keep in mind that because the humectants such as glycerin and honey are structurally very simple, it may draw moisture from the skin to the atmosphere if it's that you live in a very dry climate, and also depending on the season. Thanks for watching guys, and we will see you in the next one.